Nikita Gandhi. Nikita here. Wait, wait,
मैम मैम सामने इधर
Nikita, look here. Nikita, turn here. Thank you.
नेक्स्ट 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 बस
यहाँ पे या यहाँ
Arun.
मैम इधर इधर रुकियो वाइट वाइट वाइट
Hello.
Excited are you?
How excited am I? So excited, very excited. I'm nominated today, so I'm very excited. Or this is my first time at Toifa, so honestly no, because there are some amazing artists who are nominated. So I'm just happy to be here, and I mean I hope I win, but I'll be very happy if I don't also, because everybody who is nominated deserves. What albums? अरे बहुत एक्सपेक्टेशन और रियलिटी में दोनों में बहुत कुछ है. Thank you. This is actually one of my songs called Maharani, which you can find on wherever you listen to music. Thank you, thanks guys, thank you. इस तरफ.
मुंह पे लगेगा फिर. अशोक साहब बाइक.
I wish Times of India Group all the very best and congratulations for a great event, great award function. It's a great inspiration to our industry, our technicians, our actors, our performers, everybody in the industry. I really wish them all the best on behalf of Indian Film and Television Directors Association. As a president, congratulations to Toifa and the organizers Times of India. Thank you. सवाल क्या है?
जाओ. Thank you.
आज शाम तो शुरू हो रही है, अभी देखने के बाद बहुत कुछ कहूँगा. फिलहाल तो ऑफ कोर्स वन ऑफ द मोस्ट ऑथेंटिक अवार्ड्स जो सभी लोग, एवरीबडी लुक्स फॉरवर्ड टू इट, सो एक्साइटेड अबाउट बीइंग हियर एंड लेट्स सी व्हाट्स. आई थिंक केएल के अलावा आई थिंक राहुल नहीं, विराट ने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया, रोहित ने अच्छा परफॉर्म किया, टीम ने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया. अच्छा दिन था हमारे लिए, बट साउथ अफ्रीका इज अ सुपर्ब टीम. नहीं, सफ़ेद यानी मैं जानता हूँ कि बहुत सारे लोग काला पहनते हैं, तो मैं आई डिडंट वांट टू गेट लॉस्ट इन द क्राउड, तो बोला सफ़ेद लगूँ, थोड़ा ढंग का लगूँ.
Yes, I have a very long association with Toifa because जब मैं कनाडा में था, Toifa का first event was in Vancouver, Canada. तो मैं Times of India group के साथ completely involved था, trying to make Toifa a great show in Canada, Vancouver. Yes, so I am very excited about it. Thank you.
yes, I'm very excited, and the less I talk is better because I have to go inside and start the show because I'm hosting the show tonight. Ma'am, everybody has their own point of view, so I'll refrain from commenting. Thank you.
Let's walk back. No, here we have to do.
आया ले लो आता हूँ बिजी है भाई वो मैडम बिजी
Well, I mean, it's wonderful to be here. It's wonderful to be nominated. As far as excitement is concerned, I think after a certain age you stop getting excited. But yes, I'm looking forward to the evening, and I wish all the nominees the very best of luck. मुझे पता नहीं. I can't comment. I haven't seen it. मुझे पहले देखना पड़ेगा. I'll have to listen to it. Then I'm happy. Thanks.
Yeah. Hi. Is there any bites to be given?
Oh, yeah.
कुछ है नहीं. Very nice. We have so many nominations. Kill and 11-11. So let's see. Very excited. We just started 2 films this month. So I'm very excited about that. मतलब it's a new thing in life. बहुत पहले कम काम करके अब 1 महीने में 2 फिल्में. I just landed from Lucknow starting a new film. So yeah. Thank you.
आज की शाम अगेन बड़ी सुंदर शाम होगी. टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया टॉयफा का ये अवार्ड है. मेरा नॉमिनेशन है और मैं बड़ा एक्साइटेड हूँ. उम्मीद करूँगा ये साल मेरे लिए लापता लेडीज़, मामला लीगल है ने बहुत सारे अवार्ड्स दिए. आज की रात भी मैं अवार्ड जीतूँ. आई एम कीपिंग माई फिंगर क्रॉस. महादेव की ब्लेसिंग आज भी रहेगी. थैंक यू सो मच.
किधर देखना. हाँ जी गाइस, क्या हाल चाल है? नमस्कार. हाँ जी मैम, क्या हाल है आपके? यार देखो, ऐसा है, बहुत चुनिंदा ऐसे अवार्ड्स हैं विच आर रियली credible when it comes to films or OTT, and TOIFA has been in a way one of the most credible awards for all of us as artists, as actors or filmmakers. So really looking forward to tonight. Yeah. अभी एक शूट खत्म करके आया हूँ called बदतमीज गिल. It's a story of a dysfunctional family. So I think mid 2026 we'll release it. Yeah, चलिए. चाचा बन गए? You mean राजपा जी के? बहुत 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 खुशी है. And I think it is something which, a feeling which is very pure for any family, Having said that, I really can't still, believe that now Raj and Patra have a small little daughter at home. I'm going to visit them very soon. Till then, big tight hug from Shachu.
I'm very excited always whenever I come to Toifa. It's a fun night to be a part of with all the entertainment, all the people that you have not met. काफ़ी टाइम से आप यहाँ ब्लू कार्पेट पे उनसे बम्प इन करते हो, नहीं तो फिर अंदर. So it's Bihu Attack, which is releasing in January, on 14th of January. It's an army-based film. Thank you. Oh, this outfit is by Sahil, and yeah, it's a pretty outfit. I love the color. It's complimenting me, the makeup, the hair, everything. Thank you.
I'm very, very excited and I'm looking forward to the evening tonight. It's going to be a special one. Times of India has hosted such a beautiful event and I'm looking forward to the evening. Well, I'm wearing this beautiful sequin gown by Rahul Mishra and I'm feeling beautiful tonight. Well, I can't reveal much, but I've been shooting my films and hopefully you'll get to know the announcements soon. Thank you.
हाँ जी एंटर
सर मैं एक क्वेश्चन पूछ लूँ आपको, क्या शोले से बेटर फिल्म कभी बन सकती है इंडियन सिनेमा में?
मुझसे आप सवाल कर रहे हैं।
कभी नहीं बन सकती, ये सवाल अपने आप में जवाब भी है।
I am eternally grateful to everyone, all the people who have loved the film and all those wonderful people who joined me in making this, as we all say now, an unforgettable film. I don't know how to say thank you to all of you, wonderful people. Kindly accept my gratitude for the love and affection you've showered on this film. And I hope you will continue to do so, because I don't see the love getting any less, and I don't know why. I don't have answers, but everybody has asked me this question: what about the sequel to Sholay? And I've always said, how can I make a sequel when people haven't forgotten the first one? जब वो तैयार होगा ज़रूर बताऊंगा उसके बारे में. मेरा बताना मेरा फ़र्ज़ है, आप लोगों का देखना फ़र्ज़ है, और हमें बताना कि बुरी है अच्छी है वो सब आप बताएंगे, लेकिन अगर हम बनाएंगे तो हम ज़रूर बताएंगे.
Oh, it's a wonderful event, and I think Times of India must be the only people who have two legendary awards, Toifa and Filmfare. So I think it's quite cool that they have two major awards. I'm not nominated because I haven't made a film this year, but next year definitely I will be.